Okay, this is obviously the Singer Featherweight 221, born in October of 1950, but it is a Centennial model. Singer made special Featherweight Centennials for their 100th birthday in 1951, and this is one of them. And as you can see, it is an absolutely gorgeous featherweight. The decaling, I would say, is about 98%, almost 99% intact, and just a gorgeous, gorgeous machine. One owner, and really was a pleasure to service this model. It didn't need much in the way of servicing at all. It really has been pampered for its entire life. Let's start over here, and I want to point out again, this is a Centennial model, much more rare than an average featherweight. Again, Singer did this as a celebration for being around for 100 years. Let's go ahead and move a little bit to the right of that beautiful crest, and you can see that winding a bobbin is very easy. You simply follow this track right here, and right in front of it I'll point out as well, we have the on-off switch. Simply switch it either way to turn it on or off. Followed up again to where the bobbin winding wheel is, and by simply applying pressure to move it in towards the wheel, you make contact with the wheel to wind it, and then just lift it back up when you're done winding the bobbin again. If we drop back down again, you can see we've got the stitch length control here. Stitch length on this machine is pretty much the same as the 301 that we're including as a bonus. It's going to give you a stitch length anything from 6 stitches per inch all the way down to 30 stitches per inch. If we come up over the top, you can obviously see we have our spool pin here, and it's a very easy threading process. Simply come off with a spool pin, down through this little track, around the tension control, up through the arm, and all the way down to the presser foot. And the presser foot does have a considerable amount of clearance on it, and it's very, very easy to lower and raise as need be as you're working on your different projects. Also, you'll notice that the lighting on this machine is very, very nice. It not only lights the needle area, but also lights the entire bed. Let me show you a sample of an applique that we did on this featherweight. This particular applique really does represent the full scope of stitch length variation, anything from around 30 stitches per inch, as you can see in this area of the applique. And as we move to the outer edges of it, you can see that those stitches do lengthen out probably closer to 6 to 7 stitches per inch. But a beautiful representation of what, with a little bit of creativity, this wonderful featherweight Centennial model is able to generate. As I said in the introductory video as well, we are going to be including an original owner's manual with this machine, just as we are with the bonus 301 Singer. This will help you to understand every facet of this machine and really maximize it to its fullness. It also will help you to maintain the machine at the high running level that you'll receive it in. Again, with all of our machines, including this one and the 301, we service them inside and out, so when it arrives at your doorstep, it's going to be ready to go to work. It's just a wonderful machine, and again, as I've said in other videos, I think that the Featherweight and the 301 are two of the finest machines that Singer ever made. And you'll have a lot of fun. Whoever wins this lot gets both machines. So check out the other videos as well. Heavy duty sewing.